What's up, guys? This is James Dean, the sales manager at the Boat Brokers. I'm here with Sam Whaley, and we're going to do a video for you. Today, we're going to do a video on how to clean the yellow off the sides of your seats. We went online and we found, I don't know, probably 8 different videos on what to use or what not to use on cleaning your seats, and not one of them worked. We tried baking soda, we tried vinegar and water, we tried bleach. We looked at every video online and not one of them worked. So here's what we were running into. The yellow on the side of your seats is like a mold. It stains your seats. So it gets into the vinyl where you can't clean it off.
We found vinyl paint, and it actually is flexible paint for painting vinyl surfaces that move, like cushions and things, just like we're painting. So we did a couple of test runs on some other things and it worked fantastic. And what you end up with a before is this, and an after of this. It looks like new, it's flexible, it feels good, it doesn't feel like anything's there, and it looks fantastic, and it solves the problem. And just a quick reminder, before you do any of the mist painting, make sure you clean the seats off real good. Don't use something heavy, use something, I use glass cleaner because it dissipates really quickly. So just a quick wipe over at that, because you don't want to paint on any dirt. So that's a big thing. So make sure you clean them first.
So when you go to paint, you want to make sure you mask off any area that you don't want the paint to be on.
Yeah.
Obviously. Sam's here masking off the black. So that we don't get any overspray.
You don't want to just blast it all with one coat. You want to do, 3 or 4 little fog misty coats on it so it gets in there without making runs. So I've just gone by and literally just give it a fog and do that, 3 or 4 times till your yellow is gone. And it won't disappear on the first pass, but after you get 2 or 3 coats on there, it'll absolutely be gone. And a light fog does it, and you'll be left with a brand new looking seat without your problem.
Thank you, Sam.
Yep.
So basically, with a probably $18 of vinyl spray paint, we did what a vinyl company would have charged you $300 or $400, and we're doing it in less than an hour, and we're doing the whole boat. There's 6 seats. Where we tried for hours and hours trying to clean it with different cleaners, and there was no way to get it off. So hope this helps, and subscribe to our channel at the Boat Brokers. Thank you.